Hello YouTube, this is my first ever video on YouTube, but basically by the title is my bullet journal setup for 2019. This is a Leuchtturm 1917 notebook in royal blue. It's a dot pad so you can easily do calligraphy, which is what I want to teach you guys how to do. But basically I'm just showing you like what comes with it. I actually got it on Amazon for about $20 or so. But it's just a really cute little tiny notebook, and I kind of want to do all my planning and stuff and all my big projects on here. So if you want to see how I set up this bullet journal, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so my name is Nyani. I am a junior in college. I'm going to do a short little introduction video a little bit later on. But I wanted to focus on the bullet journal part of this video. So a bullet journal is meant to help you track the past, organize the present, and plan for the future. With that being said, I welcome 2019 with open arms, and I welcome you guys to my new YouTube channel. So what you're watching right now is my 2019 welcome spread, and in French, welcome is actually bienvenue. So bienvenue to 2019, bienvenue to all you guys. Now most of you guys are wondering, why am I starting a YouTube channel? And to be honest with you, I always wanted to start a YouTube channel. Ever since I was in high school, I always wanted to start a YouTube channel by myself or with my friends. But when I was thinking about doing it myself, I was kind of nervous. I didn't know what to do. Then I decided that this year was my year and I wanted to try something new. And I'm definitely thankful for YouTube into giving this kind of platform, because it allows me to see how far I went and how far I came from. And I definitely want to be able to document all that and more. I definitely have a bunch of ideas for myself. I eventually want to start a business. I want to be able to make products that make people happy, and I want to make content that make people happy. And I'm totally new to this, so my camera setup was a little bit weak, my lighting was a little bit weak, I don't have a studio, I don't have a space where I can record, but I wanted to say one thing, and that's I have a vision for this channel. I have a vision for 2019, and I have a vision for myself. And if you want to see that and you want to be a part of it, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I think that's what all the YouTubers say. Anyway, I'll leave you guys to enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end of it. guys, so that concludes my first ever video on YouTube. Again, I'm just starting, so I sound a little bit dry, but I promise you I'm just getting comfortable with the editing process, the filming process, and just getting comfortable with myself on YouTube. It's a lot to take in, actually. And it may not be a big deal, but to me, it's a big step in my life. And I want to thank all my friends and family who have got me to this moment, who had gave me enough confidence to sit down and finally say, I'm going to do this. I have so many supporters, so many friends that back me up with everything. And I do really appreciate you guys. And if you guys want to do like fun challenges, let me know. This is the final spread of 2019, and I'm excited to say that I will see you guys in the next video. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.